Hello everyone, so I want to show you these purple tennis shoes before I actually add some bling to them that I purchased off eBay. They were really cheap, and I actually really love these shoes. They're breathable, really thin fabric, and they're very flexible. So this is what they look like, and I actually purchased 2 pair of these. I purchased one for me and one for my mom as well. I'm going to be doing them the same exact design on both of them. So I actually have one here that I've actually stuffed some socks into just so it'll maintain the shape when I decide to bling it out. I'm not going to bling these all over because they're breathable. They're really lightweight shoes, and if I bling them all over, they just make them a little bit stiffer, which I don't want. I want them to remain soft. These shoes are so comfortable as well. I think I'm going to be purchasing another pair in pink and black. I think they come in purple, pink, black, beige, and white. Those are the only colors that they come in. So yeah, so this is what they look like before I actually do anything to them. Like I said, I'm not going to be blinging these out all over. I'm just going to add some design to it to change it up just a little bit. Mainly just to add some bling to it. For the most part, I'm going to keep them pretty much like they are. So this is what they look like before I do them. And at the end of this video, you will see the after. And like I said, I did 2 pair of these. I'm doing one for me, one for my mom. I'm going to do the exact same design on both of them.